welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're making almond granita. Oh, so good. It's perfect for a hot summer day with maybe a nice brioche. Check out my video on how to make brioche if you haven't yet, because it's so worth it. Anyways, without any further ado, let's begin. To make almond granita, you only need 3 simple ingredients and it takes less than 5 minutes. In a blender, drop a 1/3 cup of sugar and make it into a powder. Or directly add in icing sugar instead. I used 80 grams of sugar, but you could totally reduce it to 60 grams if you prefer it a little bit less sweet. Then I threw in the raw almonds and blend everything until you get a very fine flour. Don't overblend it though, because the almond will eventually release their natural oil and turn into a paste, and we don't need that. Lastly, get out some ice cubes and drop them in the blender and mix everything at high speed. I suggest using a temper to push down the ice cubes. Within a few minutes, you have the creamiest almond granita. If you want, I strongly suggest adding a pinch of cinnamon. That goes so well with almonds in my opinion. With this recipe, you'll get about 2 portions of granita, so feel free to double up or adjust the doses. You can store it in an airtight container in the freezer for about a month. Serve it into a glass, maybe even with a nice brioche on the side, and enjoy! For more weekly videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell to be notified every time I post a new video. See you next time!